Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. I'm Bethany Gaffey with UF Innovate, and today I'll be chatting with John True, founder of Decentrafly, a local Gainesville startup that sells secure airplane and drone tracking devices. John, could you tell us a little bit more about what Decentrafly does?
Yes. Decentrafly is a Gainesville startup founded by myself, and my research is on cybersecurity and specifically hardware. So with Decentrafly, I have tried to apply my cybersecurity knowledge to creating low-cost, secure systems for tracking airplanes.
And why is it important to make these services more accessible for consumers?
Yes, so the issue is that drones have become more widespread. So this all really began with the creation of a microcontroller that was low cost enough to be able to manage 4 different motors to keep something stable in the air. And once that was created, consumers themselves, they need a low-cost way to detect the drone.
With so many new drone aviators nowadays, how is the FAA managing airspace?
The FAA has implemented a system called Remote ID, and the point is for each drone to broadcast out its location, to almost say, "Here I am." And this will enable other drones or people on the ground to capture that signal.
What active projects do you have going on right now?
Yes, so the Decentrafly device for tracking aircraft, we currently sell that to an enterprise that is working on autonomous aircraft. And our next project is currently working with the stadium to implement the drone tracking system and potentially make this a low-cost system for other universities as well.
Thanks for joining us for this week's episode, and we'll see you next week on Tech Tuesday.